Hello and welcome to a quick lesson on how to find the area of a triangle. Let's begin by breaking down the components of a triangle. Every triangle has two central components: a base, also referred to as B, and a height, also referred to as H. We'll use this diagram from now on. It shows the base and the height of our triangle. I'm sure you noticed that the height of our triangle is set at a 90-degree angle to our base. That's important to remember. Now that we understand the basic anatomy of a triangle, we can begin to learn how we use the triangle's base and height to find its area. Area, of course, is the space inside of a triangle. To find the area of a triangle, multiply the base of the triangle times the height of the triangle and then divide by 2. That's it. That's how easy it is to find the area of a triangle. Now, let's see how this works in an example. For our first example, let's say we have a triangle with a base of 4 and a height of 6. We can start by plugging in our 4 for the base and our value of 6 for the height. Now we multiply the two numbers in the numerator. 4 times 6 equals 24. Now we take that 24 and we divide by 2, which gives us 12. That's it. That's how easy it is to find the area of a triangle. Let's try another example. It's weird, but sometimes the base of a triangle won't be at its bottom. In this example, we have 3 different sides with measurements. How do we know which one will be the base? Well, the base will always be the side of the triangle that forms a 90-degree angle with the height of the triangle, which in this case is 10. The only side which forms a 90-degree angle with the height of a triangle is the side of the triangle with a length of 5. So the base of the triangle is 5. Now that we know the base and height of the triangle, we can solve. Our simple formula is base times height divided by 2. We can replace the b for base with our value of 5, and our h for height with our value of 10. Now, we multiply 5 times 10, which gives us 50. We divide 50 by 2, which gives us our area of 25. That's it. That's how easy it is to find the area of a triangle. I hope this video helped you.